Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let us see how to solve the third question in exercise 6.2. In the figure, if LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD, prove that AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. So first, in these proof-based questions, it is important that you logically present your answers in subsections. So the first thing will be drawing the diagram again. So in that, if there are any parts or any additional constructions that we need to make, we can make the changes in this case. So let's reproduce the diagram first. So here is A, then I'm going to mark here the C, then I'm drawing the diagram for D. So now let's join this. So this is A, B, C, D, and what was given to you was a point here as L. So I'm joining this, and this is LM that was given in the diagram, and this was LN. So reproducing the diagram is the first part. Then we need to subdivide our category. So first is our understanding of the problem, which we can actually explain under the title given. So if you're able to understand what is given in the problem, we can list all those cases to us. So what was technically given here is LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. So let us write that LM is parallel to BC and LN is parallel to CD. So this was what our understanding was in the given problem. Now what is expected from out of us is to prove this. So let us note that in the title, to prove. So when you say to prove, we are supposed to prove that AM divided by AB is going to be equal to AN divided by AD. This is what we are expected to prove under this case. Now comes our proof. Let us see how we are approaching this problem. So in order to give a proof, so let's first understand how we are going to reach out the process. So it starts with the given. So we give the given first. LM is parallel to BC. Okay, why are we writing this? Because this was given to us already in the problem. Our understanding according to BPT is AM divided by MB is equal to AL divided by LC. Why I am taking this triangle? In triangle ABC, this is my statement. Why? Because this is according to BPT. So give a justification as to why you're throwing that particular statement there. So let's mark this as an equation because we are going to refer back to the statement sometime later. Now, the other given statement to us was LN is parallel to CD. So, this was given to us. So, what is this given statement given inference to us? This means AN divided by ND is going to be equal to AL divided by LC because in triangle ACD, we are applying BPT theorem. So I'm going to mark this as equation 2. Why? Because we are going to refer this. So now what is known to us? Look at these two equations. In both the equations, AL by LC is actually common terms, right? So from 1 and 2, I can infer. So from 1 and 2, you can infer that if the right hand sides are equal, then I can equate the LHS. So AM divided by MB is going to be equal to AN divided by ND. This is our inference from the equation that is given to us. So now I'm going to mark this as equation 3. Why? Because we are going to again reference it back. Now what we can do is, if these two equations are the same, I can also rewrite it by flipping this equation because I can flip it both sides. So this is going to be MB divided by AM is equal to ND divided by AN. In both sides, I have reversed the numerator and the denominator, and I'm marking this as equation 4, just in case if we are going to do a reference back. So now let's continue with the proof. If these two equations in equation 4 and 3 are the same, I am going to add 1 to equation 4. So 1 to equation 4 on both sides. So this will become MB by AM plus 1 will be equal to ND divided by AN plus 1. Why? Because if the two equations are the same, two parts, the left and the right side of the equation are the same, I can still uniformly add 1 to both sides. So now we are going to take LCM. So this means MB plus AM divided by AM is equal to ND plus AN divided by AN. I've just taken an LCM with N for their respective fractions. Now according to the diagram, MB plus AM is nothing but AB. So AB divided by AM is equal to ND plus AN is nothing but AD. So this is AD divided by AN. This was what we were asked to prove. So we can finally close this and say hence proved. Each of these sections, the given, the to prove, the steps that you write in your proof, even the closure hence proved, all carries certain marks in the whole exam perspective. So don't skip anything. Ensure that you reproduce the diagram, you subdivide your answers into these sections and present them logically. In the next video, we will see how to solve the fourth question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.